Learning starts in 3 seconds.
Accurately. Exactly, precisely. Accused. Litigator, opponent, contestant, contender, disputant, plaintiff. Albeit. Although, even if, even though, in spite of the fact that. Amend. Revise, alter, change, modify, qualify, adapt, adjust. Applicable. Relevant, appropriate, pertinent, apposite, germane. Barrel. Cask, keg, butt, vat, ton, tub, drum, tank. Bold. Daring, intrepid, courageous, brave, valiant. Booking. Reservation, appointment, date. Brass. Rudeness, insolence, impoliteness, unmannerliness. Breeding. Reproduction, reproducing, procreation, multiplying. Bucket. Pail, scuttle, can, tub, pitcher, vessel. Cave. Cavern, grotto, hollow, cavity, pothole, underground chamber. Characterize. Distinguish, make distinctive, mark, set apart, identify. Charming. Delightful, pleasing, pleasant, agreeable, likable. Clarify. Make clear, shed light on, throw light on, elucidate. Cluster. Bunch, clump, collection, mass, knot, group. Coastal. Seaside, littoral. Collaboration. Cooperation, alliance, partnership, participation. Comparative. Relative, qualified, modified. Corresponding. Comparable, correlative. Accurately. Accused. Albeit. Amend. Applicable. Barrel. Bold. Booking. Brass. Breeding. Bucket. Cave. Characterize. Charming. Clarify. Cluster. Coastal. Collaboration. Comparative. Corresponding. Corruption. Dishonesty, dishonest dealings, unscrupulousness. Counseling. Advice, guidance. Crude. Unrefined, unpurified, unprocessed, untreated. Cruel. Brutal, savage, inhuman, barbaric, barbarous. Dedicate. Devote, commit, pledge, bind, obligate, give, give over. Depict. Portray, represent, picture, illustrate, delineate. Diminish. Decrease, decline, reduce, lessen, shrink, contract. Dioxide. Oxide. Diversity. Diversification, assortment. Dreadful. Terrible, frightful, horrible, grim, awful, dire. Drown. Suffocate in water, inhale water. Eager. Anxious, impatient, waiting with bated breath, longing. Earl. Noble, nobleman, peer, aristocrat, patrician, grandee. Enquire. Ask, make enquiries, ask questions, pose a question. Enthusiastic. Eager, keen, avid, ardent, fervent, warm, passionate. Erect. Upright, bolt upright, straight, vertical. Excite. Thrill, exhilarate, animate, enliven, rouse, stir. Extended. Inclusive, comprehensive, expanded, enlarged. Faction. Clique, coterie, caucus, cabal, block, camp, group. Fossil. Petrified remains, petrified impression. Corruption. Counseling. Crude. Cruel. Dedicate. Depict. Diminish. Dioxide. Diversity. Dreadful. Drown. Eager. Earl. Enquire. Enthusiastic. Erect. Excite. Extended. Faction. Fossil. Genuinely. Absolutely, actually. Goodness. Virtue, virtuousness, good, righteousness, morality. Graph. Chart, diagram, grid. Grief. Sorrow, misery, sadness, anguish, pain, distress. Heritage. Inheritance, birthright, patrimony. Hunting. Blood sports, field sports, stalking, trapping. Hut. Shack, shanty, cabin, log cabin, shelter. Immense. Huge, vast, massive, enormous, gigantic, colossal. Independently. Alone, all alone, on one's own, in a solitary state. Inequality. Imbalance, inequity, unevenness, disproportion. Inspect. Audit, check out. Inspiration. Creativity, inventiveness, innovation, innovativeness. Interference. Intrusion, intervention, intercession, involvement. Kilometer. Distance. Lawn. Piece of land, plot. Lump. Chunk, wedge, hunk, piece, mass, block, slab, cake. Meantime. For now, for the moment, for the present, for the time being. Migration. Relocation, resettling, population movement, transhumance. Minimal. Very little, minimum, the smallest amount of. Mining. Drilling, digging. Genuinely. Goodness. Graph. Grief. Heritage. Hunting. Hut. Immense. Independently. Inequality. Inspect. Inspiration. Interference. Kilometer. Lawn. Lump. Meantime. Migration. Minimal. Mining. Minus. Take away, take from, take off, deduct, debit. Missing. Lost, mislaid, misplaced, nowhere to be found. Mobility. Ability to move, movability, movableness, motility. Motorway. Street, road, roadway, avenue, boulevard, way. Oak. Tree. Obstacle. Barrier, hurdle, stumbling block, bar, block, impediment. Omit. Leave out, exclude, fail to include, except, shut out. Onwards. Ahead, forwards, onwards, onward. originate, arise, have its origin, derive, begin, start, stem. Outlet, means of expression, release, means of release. Pencil, pen. Practically, almost, nearly, very nearly, virtually, just about. Prejudice, preconceived idea, preconception, preconceived notion. Preliminary, preparatory, introductory, initial, opening, prefatory. Productive, fertile, fruitful, rich, fecund, high-yielding. Propose, put forward, suggest, advance, offer, present, move. Protocol, etiquette, social practice, custom, usage, use, habit. Quota, portion, part, division, bit, allowance, ration. Referee, umpire, judge, referee's assistant, assistant referee. Revelation, disclosure, surprising fact, divulgence, declaration, utterance. Minus, missing. Mobility, motorway. Oak, obstacle. Omit, onwards. Originate, outlet. Pencil, practically. Prejudice, preliminary. Productive, propose. Protocol, quota. Referee, revelation. Ridge, mountain, hill, height, alp, aiguille, srac. Ritual, formalities, proceedings, business, rigmarole. Saint, angel, good person. Salad, greens. Saying, proverb, maxim, aphorism, axiom, adage, saw, tag. Slice, piece, portion, wedge, chunk, hunk, lump. Soap, detergent. Suck, sip, sup, siphon, slurp, draw, drink, gulp, lap. Summon, send for, call for, ask for, request the presence of. Taxpayer, people, citizens, subjects, general public, electors. Thigh, knee, knees, thighs. Tourism, travel, journey, exploration. Transmit, transfer, pass on, hand on, communicate, convey, impart. Tuck, push, ease, insert, slip. Ugly, unattractive, ill-favored, hideous, plain, plain-featured. Uncomfortable, painful, not comfortable, intolerable, unbearable. Valuation, price, value, evaluation, costing, quotation, estimate. Worship, reverence, revering, worshipping, veneration, venerating. Worthy, admirable, deserving. Yacht, sailboat, cruiser. Ridge, ritual. Saint, salad. Saying, slice. Soap, suck. Summon, taxpayer. Thigh, tourism. Transmit, tuck. Ugly, uncomfortable. Valuation, worship. Worthy, yacht.
Thank you for watching.